Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off, power off, shut down your iPhone 14 Pro Max in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now the simple and the easiest way, it's going to be using the buttons. So you're going to locate the volume up and the side button. We're going to press and hold both the volume up and the side button for about a few seconds at the same time like this. And then once this menu pop up, you can simply slide over to power off, shut down, or basically turn off. Now another method, if you can't get the power button and the side button to work, is by going into your setting on your iPhone. For the main settings, you're going to go to general, scroll down to shutdown, click on shutdown. From there on, a menu like this, same exact, will pop up. You can just simply slide to, again, power off, shut down, or turn off. Now, another method you can use also is Siri. If you have Siri enabled, so in your settings, just simply check under your Siri and search this Hey Siri is listening or Siri is listening or the side button, and basically you'll issue a command to the phone like this: Hey Siri, turn off my iPhone.
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And with that command, Siri will go ahead and turn off, power off, or shut down your iPhone 14 Pro Max. And of course, you're going to ask, how do I turn it back on, power back on, restart it? To do that, you're just going to hold this big side button after 10-15 seconds once the phone is shut down. Just keep on holding on to that side button until you see the Apple logo appear. At that time, you can let go. Now, if that didn't work for you, you can also connect it to a charger, which will automatically try to turn your phone back on as well. So that's how you turn off, power off, or shut down your iPhone 14 Pro Max. I hope this video was helpful. So please do consider a like and subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and giveaways on our channel. We'll see you guys next time.